So number 65 is asking for the derivative of this function. Now, square roots are pretty, but it's nicer writing it as fractional exponents. It's easier to deal with derivatives. I know the top one's prettier, but we're going to do this. Now, again, we have the situation of multiple boxes. We have that box is inside the cosine, and this is inside the square root. And the secret I gave you, you always look for the bigger fish. Which fish is biggest? I claim that the square root is the biggest fish because it ate all of that. The cosine is a medium fish because it only ate the small one, 2x. So you are going to go for the bigger fish. That one is your box. So you have box to the 1/2 power. What's the derivative of x to the 1/2? It's a power rule. The power comes in front and you decrease the exponent by 1. So this derivative, the 1/2 comes in front. The box stays as the box. But when you decrease the exponent by 1, it's going to become negative 1/2. But then we have to multiply that whole thing by the derivative of the box. So let's look at the box and take the derivative of it. So we need the derivative of that. Well, x to the 4th, that's just the power rule, 4x cubed. But the derivative of cosine of box is minus sine of box, right? So you get rid of this plus, it's going to be minus the sine of box. So again, what's the derivative of cosine of box? Minus sine of box times derivative of the box. Well, the derivative of the box is just going to be 2. So that's your answer. We're going to rearrange it to make it prettier. Let me get rid of all those boxes and see what we have. And I'm missing a parenthesis right there. Okay, what do you do with a negative exponent? You move it to the bottom and make it positive. So we're going to do that. So down below, we have a 2. That's on the bottom. Now this is on the bottom. So we have x to the 4th plus cos 2x to the 1/2 power. And the rest is on top. I have a 2 on top. That 2 comes from here. And all of that is on top. 4x cubed minus sine of 2x. And these 2's cancel. That should be my final answer. That's number 65.